Hello, dear customer. This is Alvin from QRQ Company. Nice to meet you here. Today, I want to share our belt buckle with you. As you can see, generally it is used for our clothes, for our pants, especially for trench coat. The main function of this buckle is to adjust the waist size of our clothes and pants. In addition to this function, I also think this buckle can make our clothes looks more fashionable. As you know, nowadays people always like the new things, so many of our customers keep asking us provide them with new styles. So, in addition to the normal styles, we also add some special style. You can see. So this one is very special one, and this style need to be customized. If you don't like this style, you can also send your design drawing, and then we can make the style according to your drawing. And finally, if you want to know the price of this buckle, you need to provide us with the specific size of this buckle. For example, the inner length, inner rings. So if you are interested in this buckle, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.